Hello everybody, thanks for joining me. I am revealing just some of the, I want to give away from the Nail Candy Shop last month, and I wanted to show you guys all of the little gifts that I got from her. So, if you guys know, if you've ordered from her before, from Kiara, she has all kinds of stuff. She has glitters, mixes, lovely glitter mixes. She has some charms, all kinds of different charms, striping tape, and then she also has, sells some of these bath, basically, the bath boutique type of items. So I got I will show you here, a ginger fizz ball, or fizz ball bath type of foamy fizzy bath thing. I'm assuming that this is probably rose scented smell. Anyway, excuse me, sorry. And then this is the it's a creamy hand and body lotion. This is fresh pear, I believe. Yeah, fresh pear. So it's really nice. Put some on. I probably should put some on because I am very ashy. So there's just got a lot of bath boutique type of items. Oh, this is nice. And so this is a pear scent. I'm sure I will put a direct link to her sites down on underneath the video, so you guys can go there and check out what other things that she has. This is just a body balm. So it's like yeah, it's got a nice oily kind of feel to it. This will be really good for my cuticles. It's got beeswax, shea butter, vitamin E oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, olive oil, almond oil, castor seed oil, cocoa butter, coconut oil, and fragrance oil, and juicy couture. Okay, so there's a balm, lovely. And she also sent me, she has started making some polishes, so I'm really excited to try this out. This is called Hollow Smoke. And let me get a little bit closer. If you notice, I do have one of her glitter mixes on right now. This is Gryffindor from the Harry Potter series that she put together. Lovely. It's got tons of gold, red, purple, blue, silver. It's got all kinds of stuff. There's hex-shaped ones, regular shaped. I see some gold rhombus in there. Anyway, so those are the Gryffindor from the Harry Potter series, glitter mix. So this is the Hollow Smoke. Let me see if I can, I just got my greasy fingers all over, greasy hands all over this. So it's kind of rubbed it, but you can see here. And this is, I haven't checked it out yet, but I'm assuming where it's saying Hollow Smoke, it's probably more of like a somewhat transparent black, kind of probably just a smoky kind of a black, so you can see through it, which is great for Halloween. And then I see a lot of blue and silver. Yeah. So this is really nice. I actually I did do a kind of a, well, just a swatch stick with it on here. So you guys could see that. I don't know if it's going to show up that well. If I can get an angle on it. So it's not, let me see if I can get a little bit closer in here. You can see a little bit of sparkle in there. There's a lot of I can get this, oh, there we go. Now I can see it. So this is really pretty, really nice for, I mean, this has 2 coats on it, so I'm sure if you did like 1 coat, you definitely would be able to still see through it pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and keep in a close focus point here. And I did, Kiara, I have to tell you, I know that there was another big jar of lotion. It was an after shower bath, whatever lotion. And I happened to open this box when I had a client here, so, and she really liked it. So I happened to not preference floral scents. So I thought, you know, I'm going to go ahead and give it to her because she really liked the rose smell. And I thought, well, it's just going to sit on my counter. It's probably not going to do anything. So I just gave it to her. So sorry, Kiara, but thank you for putting it in your giveaway. I'm sure that she will enjoy it and use it and, you know, all of that. I, on the other hand, just don't preference floral scents. So I'm just more of a fruit kind of a fruity person, I guess. But okay, so onto the rest of this. So there are some silver chain in here. Lovely. I love this chain stuff. Different, let's see. This is a blue striping tape. And this is kind of a red matte striping tape. I think this would be good if you're gonna do like a like for Christmas, if you're gonna do like presents, a present look, kind of gifts. And this is just a holographic, real thin holographic striping tape. Really pretty. Okay, charms. Here we got the diamond hearts. Really pretty. And I have some flowers and it looks like a little teddy bear. There's some little teddy bears and some pink flowers with stones in the middle of them. The flowers are cute because they kind of look almost like there's a plaid design somewhat going on inside of it. And then we have Ariel's. This is Ariel's treasure. So let's see what we got in here. Okay, this looks like, it looks like just kind of a hodgepodge of different things. There's a little frame. It looks like a little frame. There's different shapes of stuff. Let me pour it out here in my hand so we can see. Oh, okay. So there's different rings, different shaped stones. Those are cute. Let's flip this one over. Where is it? So there's like a lot of pearl looking stones. That's cute. So just a lot of different everything. So just kind of a mix of different stuff. Like it's Ariel's treasure. So a little bit of everything, I guess, in this one. Very cute. Very cute. Okay, now down to the glitter mixes. Here we have Azalea. Looks like just a pink. There's some holographic in here and some pink. Mostly, I don't see any other shapes really besides the regular shapes of glitter. There's some larger ones and then some fine. And then we have peaches and cream. So these are all little tiny hexagon, looks like white and iridescent ones and orange. Pretty. Then we have Eve. This is a purple hollow. Look at that. Nice. Purple hollow. Then we have Candyland number 2. I'm excited about this one. I have the Candyland, regular Candyland one, the first one that she did, and I love it. Excuse me. So this one has, it looks like little bows in it. White, iridescent, pink, kind of a deeper pink, purple, somewhat. Looks like there might be some mylar in it. And some of that, the stringy, like confetti pieces that are in here. I'm loving that one. Okay. So, and then we have Cinderella, which is like an icy blue color. So it looks like there are some silver pieces in here. Mylar, glitter, just round glitter. And then there's some of the blue confetti. Trying to see if there's any other shapes in here. Silver round pieces. That was Cinderella. Whoa. This is Cotton Candy Dreams. This kind of reminds me of another one of hers that I have. I think it's Mardi Gras. This has blue, purple, kind of a teal color. Little confetti, stringy confetti pieces, and then just glitter, little white glitters. It doesn't look like there's a lot of real big anything in here. I love this though. You see that color? Beautiful. Okay, now this is Rainbow Fish Scales. This is exciting. These are all just really light, kind of transparent, kind of hexagon shaped fish scale looking. This one is I Put a Spell on You. This has larger hexagon silver, purple, larger hexagon purple, black, smaller black. Yeah, looks like silver. Some of the silver confetti looking. So it looks like a lot of black and purple and silver. Really cute. And there's Witch's Brew. So I'm kind of wondering, I don't think that this does, but I'm kind of wondering if it would glow in the dark. I don't know. I tried to hold it. So I tried to hold it so I could see if it would glow with my hands over it, but I couldn't really tell. But this has got little, so they're little bats. Let me try to get, okay. You see? There's little bats in here. Green, like a lime green color, black. And that one is called Witch's Brew. Very cute. Very excited to use these. So that was my reveal for the giveaway that I won from the Nail Candy Shop. And so I hope I will put the link for her sites underneath the video, and I hope you guys check her out, give her a try. Great customer service. She's on top of stuff, and I'm sure that anything about custom mixes, whatever, you could probably get her to make something, you know, that if you're looking for something particular, let her get in contact with her and let her know that you would like to have a specific something done. And I will see you guys later. Thanks for stopping by, and make sure you hit like and subscribe, and till next time. Hey you guys, this is, I forgot, I had it pulled out because I actually used it a couple of times already, but this is Coal Miner's Mistress, and this was also included in the giveaway, and I forgot to put it back in the box. So you guys are checking this out. Like, I'm just holding the camera here, and I'm gonna interject this into the video, and so sorry you guys, I screwed up a little bit. Anyway, this is my favorite one right now. Coal Miner's Mistress is more of like a fall coppery gold, all those warm colors. So this has got just really, it's got some ultrafine glitter in it, and then it has the little confetti pieces and regular glitter, gold and copper. And this is, and oh, I just love the way this looks. It's just very gorgeous. So if you guys get a chance, check this one out. It's called Coal Miner's Mistress, and it's gorgeous, especially this time of year. Everybody's wanting to do like leaves and fall, and so there's that.